Hey guys, we are here at Sam's Club getting a few things. They over there getting some slices of pizza. So yeah, we didn't get too much. We got enough, but we didn't get that much. Let me show you. We back from Sam's Club. I'm gonna show you my little groceries. We got 2 bags of wings. They were $20. They done went down, y'all. Paper towels, 2 things of water. We got oil. We got some pork egg rolls from Sam's. We got the sausage, the big pack of sausage, the 3-pack of bacon, spinach dip, and sour cream from Sam's. Everything else came from Aldi's. Oh, the sweet potatoes came there and the rotisserie chicken. I got some strawberry applesauce, some Boulder sandwich, snack and freezer bags. I got chocolate and vanilla pudding, kielbasa. I got cucumbers. I also got olive oil, some autumn crisp grapes with kiwi, bagels, butternut bread. Hawaiian sweet rolls came from Sam's, and the butternut double pack. And the sweet potatoes came from Sam. I got the cookies and pasture-raised eggs, the variety cookies, and some cinnamon bread. 2 salads from Aldi's, some whipped cream cheese, lemon, green apples, avocado, and cantaloupe, some banana peppers, lactose-free milk, a thing of peaches, Doritos, tortilla chips, and the Simply Made corn chips. I'm gonna put this stuff up and then I'm gonna sit down. That is the fridge. The top is full with water. My baby girl salads, the eggs, some celery, cucumbers, romaine lettuce, a cantaloupe back there, my butter, some snack cups, cookies, some fruit, milk, peppers, peaches and plums, condiments, spinach dip and all that, cheese and stuff, cheese, lunch meat, bacon, and kielbasa. The freezer is full. I can't even put anything else in there. I had to put this right here. And over here I got more waters, milk, condiments, and yeah, pour me some of my hold on. I got my macadamia nut, chocolate chip, and oatmeal raisin, variety cookies, and my caramel Starbucks coffee. And yeah, that's what I got, y'all. I am done. My chicken gotta go in the freezer in the basement. My 2 bags of wings, and I'll put everything else up a little later. The paper. All right, y'all. Today is Thursday. My bestie finished her LPN training. She got 1 more year for nursing to be a full-fledged RN. I bought her some roses. She's having a small little get-together tonight. So I bought her some roses, which I am going to put in a vase. Which one of these? I think this one. I'm going to wash this out and put them in there and show you guys how the finished results is. Gonna put the package in there. And I'll take these off. Yep, that's perfect. Stir it up. Got ice in here, y'all. When I'm done. Alright guys, these are the roses. I think they turned out pretty good. Maybe I should have cut them a little more, but this is what it is. Alright y'all, I am dressed and ready to go. Let's pray this water don't get all over my car. Let's pray. I'm trying to go slow. I got paper towels and plastic wrap. Let's put our shades on. All right, let's go. We are on our way. All right, y'all. I done made it. We in the basement bar, just hanging out. This is my blue basement. There go the mama of the damn LPN, the daughter of the LPN, some friends. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my glass of wine. And up in this biatch, you better know it. Show them off, girl. Let me see the pen. I gotta get close up on the pen, girl. Look at that LPN pen, y'all. I need my phone. All right, y'all. I'm about to make this fruit salad that I seen on TikTok. It is green apples, kiwi, and green grapes, and lemon juice. Yeah, and nothing. It's fine. And a little honey. I'm gonna put some honey on mine. So we just peeling these. So I done cut everything. I'm about to add all my grapes. All the apples. All the kiwi. Alright, this is the salad. I'm gonna put. Good morning, y'all. I am up making me salad for lunch. For my 2 days, I'm gonna make a fruit salad as well. But yeah, got my lettuce cut up. I know they saying don't eat lettuce, but you just can't eat nothing then. Shoot. But I got my little romaine lettuce that I washed very good. Very good. Celery for both. Gonna load it up with veggies. Try to use all this. My onions. We got a little cheese that I chopped up. Some Swiss. Use what you got. Use what you got. First, for a little flavor and color. Rotisserie chicken. I got some avocado. Okay.